Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dot, and today we're going to be talking about my homemade Jeffy puppet. Hey, my name is Jeffy. See, it says on my shirt, Jeffy. Want to see my pencil? Oh wait, where'd my pencil go? Alright, here we go guys. I used a little stick that I found as a rod for a sand. See? Ooh! So, got his jeans. Got his little two shoes. Got his helmet on with a little bit of hair coming down. And he got a Jeffy shirt. Jump fine. Ooh! And it got his two front teeth. And his pencil. The pencil, the real pencil was was too short or too heavy for the paper. But anyways. Ooh! Ooh! I'm thinking about making a Phoebe. Hey, Phoebe. Hey, Jeffy. So, yeah. Ooh! So, this took like 1 minute to make. No, I'm just kidding. It took like 10. Anyways. So, yeah. That's my Jeffy puppet. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.